What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is noon and I still look a hot mess. I've not gotten ready for the day. I have been really busy this morning. Went to the grocery store, picked up the boys' Easter basket things, and then I am surrounded by homeschool material that I am prepping for Carter. I am just gonna do a little day in the life video for you guys, maybe an afternoon in life, I don't know, Easter basket, decorate with me. I have a lot to do today and I have no time to sit around and just relax. So I have to push, especially because I am a little bit behind on my chore planner and it is driving me insane. So hopefully this video gives you guys a little bit of motivation, and it gives me motivation to get ready and get things done before I have to go pick up Parker from school and then get dinner started and all of the chaos begins. Alright guys, I am finally done. I'm prepping almost everything. I set up our Easter station, and then in this cubby I have everything that I'm going to need. I need to clear these out, but I'm not going to do that today. I just want to kind of tackle the rest of my house. But for the Easter stuff, I purchased everything from the stay-at-home teacher. I'm going to have a link to her shop down below if you guys are interested. But I have the resurrection eggs here, and in each resurrection egg we have something that has to do with the Stations of the Cross. The boys each have a memory verse that they need to trace. It's the same one. We go over it every single day. They do have the Beginner's Bible, and then they also have the Jesus Storybook Bible. We read both of them because it's just different narration, and then sometimes one is easier to understand than the other. And I have our worksheets right here, and then I have some more stuff. So these are our cards that we read daily. This is one of the activities, some more activities, and then this is the last one that they do. But yeah, this is pretty much our entire Easter setup. All right, you guys, I am done. I'm not gonna touch my hair or anything. This is literally what, second day hair, I think, maybe even third day hair, and I have not touched it. There's no products in it. This is just the curling iron, no hairspray, no mousse, no gel, whatever. So I'm gonna just leave it like that, and then I'm gonna change my outfit to something a little bit less pajama looking, and then yeah. All right, you guys, so we're going to get started with these puppies right here. Now these I got from Target a couple of years ago, and both of the boys have the same basket. I just thought that this was really cute and gender neutral. The inside filling is different for both boys, so that's like the way that I kind of differentiate what kid is who. So this one is Parker's because he's green, and then this one is Carter's because it's blue filling on the inside. And that just also helps with like any confusion and any fighting, like they know which basket it is for who. So then starting off, I always get them a book, and this is the books that I have. So this one is There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Chick, and then the Easter Story by the Birthday Bears. Sometimes I will reuse books that we already own because it's just easier to do. That I got are these Haribo gummies. These are a staple, always have them in my boys' baskets. Then I always try to get something fun, like a little toy. So this time I got this little sidewalk chalk game set. I just thought that this part was really interesting because you're not going to get messy. Like you put the chalk in there and then you just write. Then I got these little noise putties. They're in love with them and the noises that they make. And then the last kind of toyish thing I got is like these little bubbles. I thought these were going to be bigger, so I might have to grab a couple more or something. But the big one right here is Play-Doh. I always get Play-Doh. It's just a staple here at home, so I have that. And then the rest is all candy. So I got each Peeps bunny candies. I don't like Peeps. They're weird, but it is what it is. Then I got 2 little Reese's bunny canes. I got these Starburst jelly beans. I think these are the best candy ever. I love jelly beans, and I wish like they would be more available because I don't think. All right, just the Starburst ones, because like the other ones that have the licorice in them, oh, I don't like those. But those are great. And then I got the egg Sour Patch Kids. I got a little Kinder egg for both of them, just a little treat surprise. And then I got some little chocolate coins. This year is the best year because Carter is no longer allergic to egg or milk, and so now he can eat all the candy he wants. The 2 years past were just heartbreaking, and it sucked. So I'm so excited that he can enjoy all of this now, and it's just gonna be really, really good. They do have confetti eggs, and then they also have the plastic eggs. I just forgot to buy the candy for those, so I'm gonna have to be rushing to the store last minute. Hopefully they have some that can fill the plastic ones and then scatter them all through the yard, but we will see about that. So let us assemble these baskets. So then the Play-Doh, and then each water bottle goes on the side. How cute! Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are you doing for Easter? I am dying to know. I just signed up to host Easter for my family, so wish me luck. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!